Alright, today we're off to picking up a 1960s desk, vintage desk. So, let's go. Picking up desk time. Alright. On our way to pick up a 1960s desk. It seems very authentic and just plain. Not a whole lot to be done to it, but it's a project. There's the driver. There's me. There's the driver. There's me. Driver! Smiling. All right.
It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right, I will be the best girl in this whole world. No, I'm not gonna bite. I got my hands on your body, so tell me what you want me to do. I can be good or be naughty, because there ain't nobody love you like I do, 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 like I do.
We just got back, and here's the piece. It's a beautiful aged desk. I think it's gonna look really amazing when it's done. Not a lot of intricacy to it. It's as you can see, there's not even hardware. There's little slots here that you just put your fingers into to pull them out. The desk looks like it's solid. There's nothing wrong with it. I think we'll just do a little bit of sanding, readjusting some of the jaws, make sure that they fit nice and snug. And it's oh, this one's a little tight. This one's got some issues. You gotta look into that. Other than that, I think it's in good shape. Look at it. All right, stick with us and see how we take this to the next place. Enjoy.